everyone, it's Alexandra with WTI, and one thing that is never missing from my home is cinnamon. And I have found that my favorite type of cinnamon is Ceylon cinnamon. Not only because of the special touch Ceylon cinnamon adds to several recipes, such as for food or for beverages, but also because of its many benefits. So I have found that this presentation by the brand Pure is amazing because it has a lot of versatility. So basically, if what I want to do is to get my daily serving of Ceylon cinnamon, all I have to do is just take 2 capsules. But if I want to do is just to add it to a recipe, it's very simple. I just open the capsule and just pour its contents onto the beverage or food that I am preparing. Something else that is really great about the Ceylon cinnamon by the brand Pure is that you get 730 capsules. So you're definitely getting a great amount. And that is my point of view.